Hey guys, welcome to the next episode of Wix Wednesday. If you're new here, thanks for joining us. If you're coming from the last video, I'm just going to start it from the top for our newbies. This is going to be something that I set up for a credit repair agency, and this is going to be their no-show campaign. So the way it works is after a client is placed in the no-show workflow, they will be triggered into the series. So to create this campaign, I'm just going to take it back to the start and just show you the workflows that I have installed. And to do that, you go to contacts and then workflows. We're just going to discard our changes. So this is what we have. So these are for the people who have not scheduled a call. These are for the people who have set up a consultation. You can ignore this for now. And then this is the one we're working on, no show to call. So ideally, what will happen is, let's say a person is here, so a card is nothing but a contact. You'll drag that person from here to here, and then from there, they'll be thrown into the marketing campaign. So now let's go ahead and build it. We're just going to go back to automations, new automation. We're going to start this from scratch. And then, as I was saying, we're going to call this the no show. Oh, I can't spell out no show. And the workflow. This is just nothing. You can have various workflows. So this is just the name of the one we have. And the step is no show to call. So the first thing we're going to do is send them an email because I'm sure it was a mistake. They want to work with you. Something happened that made them miss the call. So right now, I don't have to do it, but the first thing you'll have to do is verify your sender details before you can take any actions. So from there, I'm just going to go ahead and first change the time. I don't want to bother them immediately. So let's set a custom time and say like 2 hours after the call. Let's get it now. So first, I'm going to grab my client's colors. And I'm just going to create a better subject line. Just something funny like, you forgot us? Forgot us? Or click save. And let's throw in a logo in. So let's change that. We're going to pull their logo here. And let's see. Add it to my website. Okay. So this is where you will want to put your website information, obviously. And click save. I'm just going to go back to it one more time. And yeah, let's keep it medium. We're going to keep it in the center. Not really a fan of the padding. That's exactly what I was looking for. So we're just going to go ahead and click apply. We're going to change this again. This is boring to something like still there. Now you just want to make sure you're on brand. So now, like I said, I grabbed the client's colors. I'm just going to pull that there. This is fine. This is boring. So this is where you just want to add in the copy like, hey, so and so, what happened? What's going on? Do you still want to meet with us? Come back. Blase split. So I already have the copy written out elsewhere. So I'm just going to paste it in. And today I'm also going to tell you about dynamic values. So this is supposed to be personalized. We don't really want them to feel like we are hard selling. That was the wrong button. I want to align it to the left. So we want to make it a little personal. So I want to say, hey, so-and-so. So what we're going to do is add a dynamic value. So that is pulled directly from the form that they filled out. And we're going to say contact first name. And the fallback text is just in case they did not put a first name. Everybody has to leave a first name because I made it mandatory. I'm just going to say, hey, there. And click add. And then, of course, you want to throw in your comma. So we waited for you. What happened? Come back. We don't need this picture here. We're going to confirm our delete. This button is cute. Let's see. Ooh, you have to change that. So first of all, let's change it to reschedule. So that's the goal. And I always like to put that because it looks like a little arrow to me. I'm going to grab that link for the booking. Right, here we go. And then we're just going to, again, work on our branding. We're going to change that to white, make it pop. We're going to change that again. Man, I don't know why. So this is what we're going to do this time. We're just going to go here and click add color. So now it's saved down there. So now I'm just going to click that again, go to design, fill color, and my color is already saved. Share on social. They don't need to share this email on social. Okay, so we're going to take that off and we're just going to leave it at check out my website. No, they don't need that either. We're going to show our phone number. And I'm going to show our address so they know how to get back with us. We're going to save and continue. So that's step one. Day one, 3 hours later. I'm sorry, 2 hours later, we're going to hit them up and say, hey, did you forget about us? The next thing we're going to do is circle back 2 days later. Once again, we want them to book a consultation with us. I don't know how much your clients pay, but my clients, they pay a lot. So I want them to come back. So it pulled up what I had last time, but I like what I just said. So we're just going to say, come back. Come back, Joe, or whoever you are. And then we're just going to take this on out there. Hey, so and so. Again, I got the copy already written up. I'm going to pull it over for you guys. Copy and paste. Just wanted to see if you had a chance to reschedule. Remember, our team of experts is here to support you every step of the way, and do not hesitate to contact us. Wow. Again, oh no, no, no. It's already updated from last time, so we're good. They want to share this on social so bad. We're going to leave it. I kind of like the way it looks. I wish I could change the color of it. I save that. So that's what they're going to get 2 days later, right? We're going to go ahead and activate it. Let's go back to it and edit it. Let's add an action. Like I said, we're going to send another email. And I said we're going to send it 6 days away. So again, you're going to go to more actions, and now you can click switch template, and it pulls the other things that you made in your automated emails. It's pretty cool, right? So you don't have to start all the way from scratch. So I think I'm going to go with this one without the header, without the header there. But it's already there for me. Just going to click edit. And I'm going to say, hey, so-and-so, let's turn, let's click edit. So-and-so, let's turn your money frown upside down. And I'm clicking this because I feel like it's very generic from whether they're booking either type of consultation. It's about money, so they're going to be okay. A preview text is kind of like when you see an email and it's like that little bit of body text just letting you know what you're getting yourself into. I'm just gonna skip that because we're gonna surprise them. So, like I said, I already got the copy drafted up. Let's make sure this defaults to there. Okay, it does. I always, 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 always check. When in doubt, check it out. Okay. You always want to provide the best value to your clients. So one of the things I would hate is if I pay a whole bunch of money for a website or email campaign or anything, and I saw like minor issues, like my links were not working. So it's like, hey man, what I pay you for? Check that out. So always, always check. That's all good. So yes, I hope this email finds you well. I just want to touch base with you. Please know I'm done being thirsty, bro. Like, do you want to mess with me or not? So we're just gonna click save and continue. And then we're just gonna save it there. And just like that, you created your first automated emailing campaign with your workflows. Thank you for watching Wix Wednesday and see what I have in store for you next week. Thank you. We got 223.